Orige tuka munyito ogeni muno thini wa tabarino ya Kimuri session ya Inooro TV. Muthenya umuthi tukiurania atiriri Bururi wiha hihi we ni urorete maundu maria haria hakuhi nae no reikara uguo gecurania ukawa maundu maria mekitwo no ti kuthikiriria tu ateti magioka makiugaga tugeka kana gugekwo kana gugathie kana gugekika anyita Muthenya umuthi
tuna Daktari Stephen Gashie kuma Catholic na Tagaza University zake no thiare mutongoria wa Ruto na ningi ari thina wa anake murauga mureto youth presidential team
get out the votes tokelezea na Uhuru
na
Kenyatta get out the votes
na ningi Charles Munyui na ena mwanake wetagwo Ken Gaithonia kugaithia ni umwe
ni murata wako
Ken ya kugaithia muno akijama utawira mwega na maiko tutanathie muno ri muthenya umuthi niki kurathie na mbere
muthenya umuthi ni gukorwo kwina debate hwaine iria egukorwo ni iria tukoretwo twetereire muno ya presidential debate na ni ukurikana muthenya wa Friday ni twari na mundu gwitwo Dennis Itumbi na agitwira we akirora na agithikiriria uria arathikiriria kuria Vigira wa Iregi ndekuona ta mugathe president teguthie no aria ni makiharirie muno ndonete mundu gwitwo Professor Michael
wainaina
akiuga we ni haririe na akiri tayari gugithie no muthenya wa hwai ni kurari na mawoni ni opinion polls maria marekitwo na no nyende muno tukiaje na no tuguka kwi Daktari tondu ni njui maundu mo mathabu maria wikaga muno
kwaja aba ucio mweri cio wikaga nyamu cio cia infotrack mara kirathi kimwe koguo ni akiui uria tigikagwo kiwatho haria tukinyete thiini wa bururi uyu na haria turona ithurano ihana maundu maya ma kurehe opinion polls ni magirire
he watho na dia bunge itu ni amagania muno tondu watho uria ukoragwo control horo wa opinion polls ita elections polls act ika watho anga page imwe anga igiri kugaidie na yugete election period kana hindi ya githurano na niguo mwako mbere ya githurano gutire opinion poll ya githurano kurekererio kana kuheo muingi itakoretwo igikinyiria ikiro fulani na wa mbere ni korwo scientific na igakionania kindu kia mbere onanie no rarihira nyamu ino wa kere onanie wahuthirire methodology ya muthemba uriku na maundu magithiete guo basically kuonania ati mutaratara uyu ritori andu makira uguo gathugunda figa cia kwe nyombo geka atia nona andu arona makirekereria ta infotrack na aria ngiri ni moe kurira watho ria tondu ni watho very weak no ya bungite maturite mathondekete watho mena jamuri citagwo lakuna kana gaps ati ono ikigirwo haria no ngitwara mundu igoti ni ndagini na ndaika 10 akorogwo imete na ngoro cio karigane ona no mwiraga ni sori ni gugutwara
wendo kaga nyamu icio ukirugama kuria kiamba
ni ndia ciikaga tondu ndakiuguo watho ni watho ona in fact ndio nikikigiragia andu aria mekira kinya Facebook ni photos ciao methondekeire die ndona mundu no mutwari tu igoti-ini
koguo ni kuri watho
kwi watho na niguo ikiria niguo ka urore tondu wa page imwe na ti complicated tukauga atiriri na muteno ri henya muni njui itagwo deviation na deviation ni kuga atiriri ungihe Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta 47 ni kuonania aiko hena deviation ya muthemba ta 3% kana 4% na usually ukaga uguo
plus or minus
no ria sample iranyiha noguo deviation ni nenehaga tondu kuonania yore thiri andu anini kuramariria uguo onania Uhuru ni akinyetie 30 gicunjĩ kia 50 kana no aharuruke kinya 44 tukauga ni tukwenda horo wa opinion polls rurorwo muno tondu ni frustratagia andu mundu rari ukiria kauga atiri mundu wakona ni mushinde already iyo kauga ri akiri fatori kwa gutindangi ukira guthie gucagurana undu wa keri we ni campaign wekira andu ni campaign wekira mundu ti ati ndunekira mundu campaign wa mwikira campaign tondu wona ni iguru ona ringi ndari kuo ona ethe biyo na ni muthiru watho ni ukwendorwo na kinyi tondu watho ura ungituma kinyo kureho kugie na ngui tondu ndirona uria mundu mwangiuga atiri ona ngiro iria cia America ri ona ikigo iguru no ri ungi ni cithia igitwaranaga no urona he mundu aigo we na 41 no ungi agatuike na 47 na 48
na igere kawa mugarurania ikaigo ri ukibire
karu twari mari gutiro Raila ri arehire manifesto yake ri andi ni sori ni kwari horo ucio tugo tugiturehete haha ri Raila arugamanga platform ithatu kana igiri wa mbere kunina ngaragu kana gukinyia muturire ugie na raithi ni wa bururi na nikyo gohoro wa unga madigusha no wirigete kumarire arehire manifesto ndari agweta kiugo mutu tondu ni oriria tiriri wetigo kuga collection center cia bebe ni gudivo itwaro mashinani ndonatwira bebe ici kuma kuiro itwaro mashinani macio rauga donari ohoro wa irrigation ona donagweta ohoro wa mai kana damu koguo ri ni kuonania korwo irio gutigo korwo nacio undu wa keri aturite hariti ohoro wa guo ni ohoro wa corruption agucira Raila ndari aikorwo ekarugano atuheke gapiyo hiyo kahinda kanene na kuhura Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ni corruption Uhuru akimura atiriri ni rora ni thondekete watho uraiga ohoro wa bribery ni urahitukire ni thondekete watho indo iria wanyita wagia nacio nundu wa ukorwo wa waganu ucio kana wa muthemba ungiri ni thondekete watho iho ma center na nyambu iria ciho gukuri ni cia gutuma government services andu magathie gucigira matekugera through broker tondu ho no ukora ukagira andu aria nini mvutete ma minister na ngegarugamio ona ni hindi aga muthuri ungi wihora clear last week ni igoti atwika ni kama ucia ni kama ni futeta ma minister na PS ona iguru ndakiriho urorete gutwika gavana kuria Kirinyaga Uhuru akagwa nini nyonanetie weri turakwiriria atiri he mundu munyitanete nake na ni mundu mwaganu we handu hauwe mundu ucio na ndiramenyaga na uge ni sori muno no mutware hare uge ona nyitirayo ndatuika president njuke ndimuheri uraigire ageko Jubilee ni ramenya ni muru ni no tuikarania nake ndio uru wake na no uga mundu agweturi akaratho maru na ngo juga na iguru ni aratho maru tukabilaga no horo cio lita we ni urona nia horo wa corruption ni na guduri naguo na nduri na mutaratara specific wa gwikatia wa kurwa na horo cio kasibatiriri maundu maya turathi tukinyitaga tukionaga tukiroraga ri ni mekwenda andu mamanyite na in perspective ona tukiaragia cia debate
ndagitari niguo tontu gucoka turie mathuriti za uria rakionire tonya ni na issue na no twirio tondu maiko ukumoria tiriri what interest kabunio ya kurathari ina interest yiriko ati ni ngania kindu kiuria kia mbere mautaga mbia sampling ya wehana atia na toko kiriro muno ona ithu tuthiaga theine wa meshamanio yao tiga kwetu koigate president ena 47 kana yana 47 iri kana wakorone president Uhuru wa Kenyatta ena 42 ri ni turagia sampling ya kuyorauga ni 2000 ri ni scientific uramerutire kunere ito tamathomithie tondu ni nyonaga tari waste of time ya
sambo ya andu ngirigiri osoka ugatwita ma television ini ugatwira andu aya ngirigiri twa mathuthuria
out of 15 million adults
niguo maragwire
atetiko atira ithu tuyaga
ridiculous
atona ithu tuyaga tu mohororo macio tukamatengemania no tuginya tukiuragia no kurihite method iria ithomithagio thĩinĩ wa maimba kana thĩinĩ wa thiri uratumirire ije
ona hega ndite andikite ko yatiriri ati Uhuru is gone
na ngathĩti kwa tatuire tondu acia mwathomaga nao ndiũ kana hihi matuheaga ndeto hinju tondu matiagithie na githomo haria wakinyirie ndagĩtarĩ gacie
well ni undu very interesting ndakira ni kuigua my brother Munyui akigweta horo wa watho wa Hithukiro Parliament no thina wa watho ucio wa Hithukiro Parliament kamwe ajukite into the methodology ni ati Parliament igithondeka watho ucio ri they involve people with knowledge otigwicare mundu thomire research kana in research field where how can we deal with this koguo mathondekire watho matranda ni kim rathondeka about
tukate mahoragiro thimo makiro mahitukie makahitukie
tu
ukaligo munyuare daudie gweka
opinion polls are just an opinion
so is opinion
is an opinion
as they are
but it need to be quantified kana qualified na jugaga hare research or the gist of the research ni methodology na importantly so how did you sample no sample 2000 naikoroere adequate arari kidu wetaga generalizability ati no sample ado igana rimwe within a county no generalize ubuni ko kuhana county yothe no nagetha ukinya hauri ni gukirikiro ni gutaugira nao adikia mohoro ri ni makwenda na understand research more to kuri maundu mangi adalaini mafatire kwambiria kuona mbere yorete the 40%. One, aikone 2000 ri ya sample atia. No, my thinking the best nigukire formula ya weka sampling. No doni makiuga standard error ya ole ni 2.09.
3%.
It's about 2%. That is error to the
margin.
To meet a precision. Ore kuhereria the answer. No other na givamo kia research yuga atiriri. The more the error margin, the bigger the sample size. So I would have been looking for a sample size of about 8,000, 10,000.
Not 2,000.
Not 2,000.
Ni wrong.
Dress area ni wrong kurigana the precision. Precision ya error. Todo no go the formula shio the. It will give you about. It's about 8,000, 10,000. Two. Ntoka ikareo na the 2,000. Adoshi ni ariko. Tushitaga the element in the sample. Lemon tuka kito sampling frame. Dress area sampling frame le. Modurama horire adimwa kone ne survey ya adimore. Ne modo registered nakura. To dress area horo ado 19.5. Todo gyoria modo kani ado ne ado na dali nakura le. Kyori ke u ashokia tuvarit.
Na Canada na registered kazi ano registered.
Sampling le hari kirutaga probability. Oria my brother kuga scientific. Probability sample kuga 3 each and everyone hari adu 19 million 0.5 re mari na iko chance yako uliokiulia kiukana to be sampled. Okay? Ni toro ikagia shirigi igoro either no one head iba kana
head or tail.
Look at 2000 le the best scenario magravi re moeris IBC mameikie ina random sample ina software emeria tereri durera do grigere ko wale do gri milioni 90.5 all the men iko chance yake ya ushaguru that now will be a valid sample todo do na interfere nayo. Two, no more correlation ile moragia hari kulia hari do tuga validity and reliability hari coefficient wetaga Cronbach alpha. Iyo ni akoro ya tiriri ogioria kioria kiumaita 10 ogiona the same answer. So adikia mohorole mafanya kurora those are the lines.
Kireto giroriri.
Hari nyamwedo twetaga Durbin Waston is the noise within the survey. Koguno morole ya tiriri what is the value? The disturbance kirekia noisy there within the discordance. Then no more okirole then yorole hari kido twetaga even the p value. The p value ni kuga really answer yori what is the p value now my brother kuga the standard deviation. Standard deviation ni kumahare the normal distribution curve the mean tukoga really it has to be either plus 3 or minus 3 if you go to if you are skewed to the left and if you are skewed to the right it's plus 3 ni kuga for instance here innovate it was ni kuga uhuru le no akoro na 50% if you divert from so it will be to make us skewed or the one oriko kugo reporting re ne ore kwada ko report na gikoni minus 3 no equal to 44 equal for the NASA laila no akona 40 no akona 46 so what they have done nega mateke ya deviation le nikimame move to 47 todo no gichuga ira ile na 43 the best you can ono gili deviation eh 46 na kiukune 50. My thinking the focus ya especially ya my classmate le a presidential debate in case one of them will attend I kona sanago attend yare wiki dress ile next week tukagena survey yakuga ni odo aquated
video
leu ni anageire igeitha to so he is at 50%. No grora adore mara we can decide again there is a skewedness to the western Nyanza makaga adore ma igi matare decide kan magadura nali my western na wacho makogera atriri kuni stronghold ya NASA.
So
the focus, the outcome of the survey, you need to decide now because you are
the determinant.
You are determinant, and you see we are at 47.
Then you swing.
Then the both results have to do significant ohanekite kegetuma uhuru arus idatu.
Exactly.
There is nothing significant. Na hati do nasa ekite munene magiogerera. Then Ogrora as per county. I was looking for as per county issue material saga. Either material trade, akone jubilee. Comparatively 2013 Mobada Mari 19%.
The candidate no area.
Candidate no area. No really minus 30%. So how do you take care of 15% increment? No drama na hare the survey. Mweshiria tukaga research yo the kore ne korogo na expected outcome. Ne korogo the expected result.
Pesa pa kana.
Na modolo le haga.
No maga ko disclose no marihete.
They need to disclose nega the really. We had to element of bias.
Onayo adhoine.
Adhoire.
Element of bias.
Publication of electoral opinion polls. It is an act of parliament.
Orale research you sabi oge kore. Kuro dua hane kaga purorine ogei president ogei na bias. Saru kono we kiro sabi ko na dina wa mutu wagi mari.
Ali guru hejo no.
Probably. Oria dukana birikari ne rabi to the right direction ire.
Magagirasha.
Already we answer. So you need to change that question to get rid of the bias in the research.
Dona wajia gusora.
First of all, I appreciate your intellectual content. So do the kaudu kaudu kaya.
Duke kene kyo Kimuri.
Maudama ma goto ha.
No mo ni Kimuri.
Mdama igo ya kamulo. Saka igo yo. Jamino ireto ina kama tomu vitakote.
Itago
na info track na
Ipsos. No, Ipsos innovate. Yes, I was statement 10 years ago. The statement chills down our spine. Yeah, the statement. Because all along, Raila was predicted as a winner. He was going to be president. 2013, same story, was going to be president. Now, infrastructure Harris. How do you know? But those two all along predicted that Uhuru was going to lose. And Raila was going to win. Raila against Kibaki was going to win, and Raila against Uhuru was going to win. Nothing like that happened. No, they thought it is scientific. I'll explain it to how I want to wait. No, they will. If you want to get to the United States. These people predicted that Hillary Clinton was going to win, and they were ready to go. She won.
Popular vote.
Exactly. Sample size already. Yeah, American opinion polls. Sample size their electoral college. Sample size their populations.
Popular vote.
Popular vote. Now popular vote here Hillary Clinton is going to win, and she won with a margin of 2 million votes. Because they are scientific. Na nisire gideta go. Na nisiro go. Na itige go ka. Na nego explain. No de ude. Sample size they are holding one more on method they are electoral college. Remember, Trump won in the electoral college, not in the popular vote.
270.
Yeah, 270 votes. The today with the university then I get to get a manual on then I campaigned really hard. They are carried away. These brokers and cartels in society, none of matter of opinion pollsters knows very well who is going to win. The Macromo, their noses are long. Then Macromo Maria do Manaminore, at least they are politically savvy. Almost on a weekly basis. Gokagare Gatadiha, dedicate to Zaki Kinodia. 75%. When a secretary general by Kijega, Okada Herwig to Zaki Kinodia, 25%, and a secretary general with Agomoni. Zaki Kinodia, and 10%, and a secretary general with Agomoni. Zaki Kinodia, 100%, and I had to take 90%, and a secretary general with Agomoni. These people should tell you something. At Marakwera, Uga running meeting and Yari, no Hotana. Why am I nearly do Grea? So they are suing you against picking a certain secretary general to vie with. Men are interested. Men are interested. The money hito. No come out with that really. You only have it. Marakwera Akeri. We talk with independent. We have to move the money. Woman Akeri. Oh no. Many. Kuna dumi hamura jire matirame ni wale wale tuwali now. The money tuwali go wikira. They should do 30%. No kwa tuwali 50. ukoza digithura everybody is want numbers
ogetio getweku
no kero tire gimari ehano no twende kurega kima ndio tire andu hana atia na let me tell you they are ruthless because if you fall in a trap umane giri ici marenda mathiro kakambe othe ikidungaga
na nowe
yes so they have a candidate free count no anyita na ruto dora ni manyita na
ona ni akohithwo
and that's what I did let me confess on TV atiteka ya muisori
no outire gima
tumundo to ure tugecina ndo aggressive ure ne tumundo very aggressive twagorire tuko
no ruthless
okay I had campaigned seriously ndamenya constituency yako yari sumo kama kigaru umenye ni rusi rodi shaka kulipa menya ni yari rusi leo Paul Francis Treda every campus to wiki gutiri mundu manyukira magukora kuhana ready to post te kwa tege ready na Paul stari sigukora guko binya maradi na ni urada kire giukira ra academy gimarekeria ra thita
no manegeria mukerenyo
tukiaria
gimana no manegerire
ndegati nitwaririe nekire tugerie gicoka nyumba giukira ra academy na kire kiga tuthiururuke true to the word maratathi ma opinion polls madiketo zagi kimubia has won mayurete dukuru women hostel veranda cia ginya Roa State House Road everywhere it was Zaga has won never had really ogwa kugete it was supposed to sway the people who had not decided or people who are not enthusiastic enough to vote
the undecided
na rere no makwendete no maraigo no kugia na toriko na rutacio no maraigo ta kugia na hede yura no macene no matirenda kwara raini you need to put some spark of enthusiasm atireke mo kina oko kwira ini mare oko kwe bara matamurane oko gwendu mare you know you need to put something enthusiasm you go to the get uhuru you are going to do that for him everybody now must vote for him if you are not if you are undecided you must vote for Uhuru Kenyatta no gine to make enthusiasm atene mo heyo uheyo ukirite ngada kugati hora opinion polls tomu na Angela Ambibo are not new people to us na nitoya tiriri nyamusia ori koroni adu makorogo na wedi mwegari out of 19.4 billion votes first of all adora maneka opinion poll either it is through phone survey survey kana go be physical at least they should cover 24 counties there are 2,000 people should be representative of at least 24 counties which is the threshold of constitution for any president nego madi 24 counties makyo yagado na doya mara yari meji uko mari ado first of all ne registered na IBC na number 2 ne ado politically conscious kana opinion shapers kana mudo ogwo sample ya weji ko political na again political to do adore political mare do and this has considerably going to shift the sway ado lewure ogoro di muwe hari nani joni meka go ogwo okerwo we tuwire dimu sikahuru there is nothing scientific about it there is complete nothing by serious ko
no bia malena
ona muno tibia they are aligning themselves in political interest everybody now is about interest ne interest malena not to say because you tell what Angela Bito dare huradi mokeda ado Uhuru mone I am about to do this I am about to do this
ateko mamakia imakania
leo niko na ugia tiriri dogi uka ihana tena mo nitega ihana te tani dikira hapo tawala
Hari opinion poll le while research no borrow from the best practices how you sample Taruko manajera kana drago me marauga tiriri turaborire oria Britain sampling frame no oria sampling technique oria famure ya kire Britex ekiuma kana US oria mekire sampling ya ori ubu ni gutura bolo ile because the best practice kono marauga turaborire methodology yo turamire ya to make contextualize to Kenyan situation it would start so when you have borrowed from the best and we take it to research
it is allowed it is allowed
now we are UK or make a policy already you borrow their methodology
and
apply here you contextualize todo madhafu matisha ejagia
numbers don't lie
if you do an equation ule atokaga even the integration is the same utiro shajagia na research ni maudu mara mameryorukire kodo guothe na nikiona wekea research yo kudeni kama bwana jenga na publish the other
it is a scientific
na niya hetokira ikiro shiothe
okay
ogu attempt ya onejega but no ne draw out clearly methodology oria make
edadera
todo we odomida gihoro wa marketing maikori kuna nyuta mufirite todo ndugu wako takora kutangaza university macho mondo mwana mdomira ki university teo kana arutwo kuma gitaweka survey tena nake rara nä uta tondå gå tuä ka maita maingä nä alignment nä kimaikia gä tuä interest
nä alignment. I would be very interested tondå survey nä hinya må no wä ke rĩmwe survey nä getha yume wega rä nä enda å gatukania maå ndå matarä political. Rĩu nä ingä rerire kuona kä å ria hihi kä roria å horo wa standard gauge lady
kana vision 2030
nä cenjetie kä ndå. What do you think? Wacho kugathi harä å horo wa thitima maå ndå marä a å horo wa health ugatukania nä getha ndigakorwo må ndå å cio areciria å horo wa siasa nä getha no uge atä rä harä economy rä å nä guo kå hana social nä guo kå hana na political nä guo kå hana so that nä getha å hote kå heana å horo å cio wothe
tå kwä na andå marauga atä rä rä Michael å ngä rora ta rä u turnout kå ta county ena ta rä u tå kauga ta county ici 10 andå ngiri 453 mataumä nä kä na kä må ndä ragereire kwä ria natä rä rä no ramerire ngiri 2 na makoimä ra othe
hatirä na å ngä rora nginya kä ndå kä må kä rarä mä kä uncomfortable nä tomubu araugire support ya president Jubilee Nairobi County 28%. Then na about meri ere kana mweri umwe yari at almost 48. Where is the shift? Automated together almost 20%. Ono nikiudo gire atagalia memelekia mahoro. Berelete at 47%. Interrogate the underneath. Nigetha muria trade nikigia twika 20%.
No kome kago gutondo matinde muria. O uria mariuga nugo tuega toga tegemani.
Na ni watho uria ngura dio ni wagu.
Ate no thimwa kuhura kuria ni thuru. We ne ngurekerera ithu tukoineka tukongania tukaronda. Ona nginya kumenya horo ni itakire ndaigua ona
na ne hondoria uhoro wa wago.
Ngwire media ri no miohere tondu media kiendagie news na information thina uria munene ukwenda ukorwo ri gukirorwo muno ni andu aria meja ona social media ndui niyo okire ru haria mwaregire gutangatha makiuga maundu kinya tutari tuona kuma riria twaciarirwo na makituma tuthogothane muno kuria thiini rauga atiriri watho wiho na Kenya thina uria tukoragwo no muo munene ni mawatho kwa kuhuthika ona tukiwa mawatho na mutaratara kuhuthika ri mawatho maitu matihuthikaga andu mokiraga magekondu na wana mundu rago no korwo akirutithia mawatho wira ri okiraga kuga kuma umuthi mwaru mana thino wa social media ni ngumunyita ukoria mundu atiriri uramanyita tondu watho mweru woka naguo kana uramanyita na watho uria wahitire miaka 3 mithiru uroka gututirete niki ni ukunyita katagigwo kwi andu 50 manyitwo tuone watho uria urahuthika tuga hiya gakoragwo na watho hano andu ayo othe ri tondu kambuni ici no citu wandu icio ura to move agitana tha ici we heno ndungerenda kuga ungiona kamera ciothe ci handu hariku na kinya Inooro na Kimuri gitu twaga gutangatha andu angi no megwika atia tondu mundu ni licensed na ni ageretie akahuthira agathie watho-ini cia kahorora kona mathenya maria menaguo weaknesses akamenya ha agathiuruka uguo ona akirelease nyamu yake ndungimwika tondu ni ahuthirite ni amenyete watho uria ugite na akathie akauthiuruka na agakorwo ni akavite ki watho koguo ndungimuthita tukauga atiriri moving forward maundu ma turaria haha ri riu raia na thirikari muno ya Uhuru ni kwende hotage kwaria na andu tene tondu wete na muthenya wa muico ati ugeka campaign wiki cia muico 2-3 ri ugukora ni uhurirwo na propaganda na maundu maya no menye tha ici githurano kiroretwo swing votes na nikio ona Rairathi mathaini ga migunda yanyu ni mithiu athie na haha akauga kaundu gakonaini na andu aria Bururi Ikamba Githii acio ni afoka na andu a Mombatha acio ni afoka sagi na mo ekumira kiundu na agacoka gwake kare ni ageterera mwenda kumunyita munyite ona amenya kumunyita kwanza nigo kura iria cia traditional ni cia kutuika mo consolidated gauga atiriri ni tukwenda riu Jubilee na wewe higemenye watho ni mwega no wae kuhuthika hindi imwe na iri ingi tondu uria ni cha watho ucio tukirute wira na njira ya kwira andu kabere kuraihu muno uguo muno na mwanake o my friend akiaria oro wa university students Law Society of Kenya ri nitwateire tutikorwo tugicinda giti kiu ona thio kuria giathire nwagirwo ni kuyuria ungiuria atiriri iticio tuteaga ri
ukiga mutikorwo mugicinda
tondu ndara mari ho riri ukoraga kinya support ire yoneka kinya cianyu cia sonu urona babu aragikarira urie kwenda no ngiririkana kahinda keho ndi ituri itishu itiathia kundu twamekaga cio icio cia so na akabado na andå arĩa angĩ nĩo mena cio tha icio ciethaga kinya na ndurume ndũngĩciona very important
ona nĩho ndenda tũke na maiko tarĩu nĩngũgeragia gwĩka ũthuthuria nini tondũ tũigate opinion ciekwo nĩ ũndũ wa gũthagathaga debate ya hwaĩ-inĩ na mũthenya ũmũthĩ na tondũ ono kwa gatiba itu twahoire bũrũri wa America so nĩ thire hanini gũtuĩria the presidential debate hana ate ikoragwo the Commission on Presidential Debate CPD is an independent and profit corporation established in 1987 under the joint sponsorship ya Democratic and Republican political parties in the US. The CPD sponsors and produces debates for US presidential and vice president candidates, undertakes research and educational activities relating to the debates. It has run each of the presidential debates held since 1988. Commission debates are sponsored by private contributions from foundations and corporations. Eone muda kitonya the internet arore ito ndukushia ku neku ndeto ici issue chobeto weto nyata the maikona tukuria haria thuria yari kogo tukuona ke totoria furori weha kogo thutha wa debate de furori weha ni twaigua toina itubi haha akiuga ati we president kurikana na muthenya ucio ndaguthi niguo twerirwo nĩ itu muthenya ucio we mwene ndaguthi ona nenyonire kinya itina riake ndiuka mare wa jil ka
ira ngoma ya jil
umuthime
I think in frontae o akiada
hau niho tubatie kugatire ona ko tukotwiria tukioyo ndo hihi naguo tukamenya wale mambiririe nete mekaga hihi
na nikio kioria tugetiha tondu thasi to ni isikuheirie gukureka tukorania atiriri ndagitari debate wega wayo na munene wa bururi na munene wa mungethaniro kuka kwao gugucenjia atia thĩinĩ wa bururi uyu ono ngoroni andũ arĩa mareciria ũhoro wa kura.
Well, nĩ ngĩakwĩra kĩndũ kĩega no ngwĩciria nĩ mũkĩ bũrũri witũ ũrĩa ũhana ndikuwa na authority no ngwĩciria almost 100% of people nĩ madecidete kũrĩa magĩikia kura. Tu ngwĩciria it have been ĩrĩa ĩngĩarĩ kuo yarĩ very interesting tondũ Kenyans nĩ magĩa na opportunity ona ti ya gũikia kura tondũ andũ makoma kaigi makoma decidete nĩ kũrora mwerekeo ya kũrĩa twerekeire na kaigi ona kinya body language body language tugaga communication nĩ 80% body language 10% nĩyo fabo but unfortunately you do circumstances yo mahota gũgĩtana mahota kwaga gũgĩũka igiuga Kenyans what we need to do is now interrogate the manifesto todo no to tukina bwana munywisha
roya na roya Jubilee hako hari mugiuka ayo wikiri diko na hena bari todo wekore ya twita monologue ukiyariria amungethana ngena mahoto na kuhoria kanona makwirorera matishenji uria matu kana maye gucenjia musha egukwerereria for me to be a lesson for the future whether we are planning to gefagare na maundu mariko ni ikorere kutubarira kweka either everyone are on board. No, I believe Nigeria ukimiona edrikana 1990 to university tokagira tha kenda cio tuku to nĩ debate cia President Clinton na George Bush and were very beautiful debates na gwĩciria andũ mathoma mũno makapenya na makahota ku internalize kĩrĩa arĩrenda ukimatwara. Okay. Koguo gwĩciria that is what we are going to miss. Na ngĩrĩkia ũhoro wa opinion poll na nĩ ngũriganĩirwo rĩ nĩndĩrathomire report icio ciothe na you'll be surprised kĩrĩa gĩcenjetie no numbers no the language ya 2013. I have the both reports ndũngĩkũrana nĩ ĩrĩkũ. What word. Okay, thank you. Zach, niwe tamuno town hall meeting ujira ku hana thamaki mai
that's the future of politics.
So what are presidential debates why
the kitu gĩtĩrĩ na heka ndwagweta very important. Who is the authority of organizing these meetings? Yeah, presidential debates. Because how do they know? mara waigua president akiuga ndagathie waigua opposition leader akiuga ndagathie the question at the base of it ne who is the organizer so wasokia who is the organizer then the question of what is his interest ni kigo gwicokia to therefore getuika organized one University of Nairobi for example which is my alma mater. University of Nairobi ina interest kuna na regime ile roka neta University of Nairobi igika ireda in the next regime na interest the sigikito wega no in their own thinking
America nyona muno maki emphasize na ne universities iharageria
antarure nyamoyo waba mahaure commission of presidential debates a joint initiative ya major political parties in America na ifada kwa niado private NGOs or private foundations and whatever admena interest completely atenyamana kiko wetare drago titodo the public yodre na republican interest na dire na tawate tea party interest or debatean interest or democratic interest yori ireda mwalimu wetu mwaikare na akili nego masiri atiriri urenda gwikira bururi atia tondu ni from where I'm sitting re need na interest na dina interest na nawe need na interest na bururi and that is the independence that is needed of presidential debate netoka guko musie who organizes presidential debate and by the way for your information presidential debate ya 2013 was well attended ule ya 2020 atendwo no ule ya 2023 atendwo na ya 2042 presidential debate ya 2017 na ya 2027 na ya 2037 dekatendwo ni
incumbent dagavi
todo arere
no hauti ho incumbent riu nake turake muria tirire uraga guthie todo maundu maria mothe turona ni nderit ni atere ati bururi uyu ni wikitwo na ni gwikitwo na thitima na irakio mabarabara mekuo ni kurekwo na aga guthiiri no gwicoka akiuge maundu macio mothe
ni tugete kireke gigiria thiiri na ni hogugete ri ni tondu there is no independence of the interviewer no se niguo guoya tondu riu in our country especially ri na riu ha murekero ndimutinie muge muiguru tagwa na mahira kana tingu mundu wa ngeri ndute muigwa andu aria custodian a presidential debate Kenya ni media at least the kind of media council of Kenya or something no ni adu media ni organize debates and we know media is torn down right the middle na gutire hete kugiwa media na iko na independence tondu Kenyans perceive media A to be for somebody, media B to be for somebody, media C to be for somebody. Nagiga somebody re netuke turaro kama turi na president. Media A re agikora support aga mwalimu ori, media B kani support re, media C igago support, media D igago support na we ire. Neke kege soma ate to hoke media yo turi atoroka kwalia. Why would you such a media?
Sura tulate.
Data kugatire nani Ivo was president Kenyatta. I would be mukogori kihudi yani na mukuwaje. I would never said that. Why should I come to people who are just excited to show me their face and ask me useless questions?
Anchors are not.
Adore mutumagari. As a media, madima kodi presidential candidate question ile. Ni adu moeka ine biases yao. Ni adu moeka ine sharunezi yao. Na ni adu moeka ine. Ate they cannot research as you said how. Material research make it. Now, educational programs ma hold it. Either from universities, from NGOs, from societies, civil societies, kumenya the interest of Kenyans in each presidential candidate in Iriko or for our country. So that's
the manifesto.
Oh, gama kama no manifesto na nyume na journalist. Oh, you'll be very surprised. Why they journalist make an investigation in Kenya?
No, no investigation to appeal na research.
Iriko. Like I go make investigation na gadeti giradi kiteko ga President Kenyatta unleashes media lobby to look for his votes. Nimaka among who are leading Tokrezea is Zakari Kenyando. Gijaritoria kama tigeza research.
Zakari Kenyando.
Zakari Kenyando. Nani hizi zako ndio manita. Niko manita. I forgive them because they are mediocre.
Media ni rutete wira mwega tondu mutire hindi mungia mathaa macio ni jume na commercial nyingi mungikira handu hariku ciothe cigatuika tukurora uhoro wa debate ya presidential debate no guo zakarauga na andu aria angi maundu manini matatu mana mangithondekererwo wega ri debate icio ni very important no nduria wa mbere mwago ni gwika in future the president no muhaka heo kahinda karaihu gukira andu aya angi kwanza makiambiriria tondu president ti mundu wa kawaida president ni mundu urari githura gitiini kiu an institution koguo ri hena mundu aroka na aroka kwa atako na shiriri tumetwo ni andu ri ciroka on the basis ya wero rekete atia arutite kana arapa sivo tatarutite kana kioneka tatarutite koguo debate ni gutwika ni kwende korwo ni nyamu ina mutaratara mwega mufango mwega na ni opportunity njega muno ya na ciuria cidira ciria ciumite kuri raia mugacio ya riu mugacigirira haria metha-ini tikiuria gia kubwa na ndete unakorwo wina kiuri largely kiumite kuri raia na ni no nyende ona Raila okewika ni wega muno na no nyende acokie kiuria kimwe tu auge atiriri ni ndacindwo githurano gikire hatari na conditions tondu ngithikiria Raila na andu ake aria marauga twa lose na tuone mutaratara mwega wa huthika wa githurano free fair and credible ni tugetikira free fair and credible kiuria ni riri no judge wa kuga ni free fair na ni credible tondu we gikorwo ni we judge ri tigukiuga ndo gwitikira na no acokire gutwira ndugathi igoti-ini na thiro na hena kaundu gatharathi gukahana takaragia nduma kiuria kiu agiurio tunio na ndikunidi kuona undu ungi ona okewika kiu ni kiiganu na njoke to ni gutiri hanjiri andu akiambu ni kumeria ni nyumo na kureria nyingi cia president ya gwicirio horo wa Nairobi nega yanagwo 1,180,000
Kebeki na kubatiriri midi taru turega tutatu tugithondeka twa presidential debate ri neta it is like they smell the rat adama organize the debate so dumagire ta ati na igire the other 6 candidates mego kadi na sara about 5:30 all the way up to 8 ogonu gwe fagito at least from what I'm seeing entertainment advertisement kumada igere the two leading presidential candidates ne magoka if they had set out that clearly in the beginning they would have swayed us na giwa us doiga supporters ya Uhuru Kenyatta na netogera muthaithie tena tugaturia mari na twikira makonia athie no tutige muthaithie wona turamwira ndagae farere aranga taru higo todo arere reke gwire todo arere nyamo ko ni gwe fagito turona commission on presidential debate in America buthiago the two Republican and Democratic party itago actually itago tier 1 their running mates itago tier 2 bas ati agimara ruga mari na cia maicio igire itago tier 3 na their running mates tier 4 now there are 4 tiers no go nugwe ko organize to so President Uhuru Kenyatta auka aruga makanya makaununi na gathondeke tu Catholic University. He has been working for this country for at least 10 years. Losing his sweat, doing everything he needs to do for this country, hariari. Nadare ahigoria idukana ga komanda ra itaidi. Hazoke hoke jaba iroimire na guko. Neguo. Na ekira guo ega na ethambe ekate njuiri. Ona no ubero wikara thina president ate mwe hamwe riu.
Na no maiko ina ina kwiro.
Dikote kugo guo. Dikoweta mundu. So what he is going to do? Adoso marera kidu gitago self actualization. Na reke guere adosi yogi. If you stand with Raila Odinga or Uhuru Kenyatta in a presidential debate, God forbid, onoge kuwa no iganire.
No akinya. Katuri kidi hau.
So let me not build
well, that week very happy with him and Isaac. He looks very focused, very energetic. I wish he had the debate. I think it's a process. We'll grow the best practices. Don't grow the best practices because we benchmark. Presidential debate ya bagari way back. Don't talk to ina Kenya. Kinyarele na samage to the presidential candidate. It took a debate here among the 4. To many where they headed, which year in the future, and is the learning process, the learning lesson, the learned lesson is to get out a presidential bit, very inclusive. Nakaije eke focus kuma way back. Nigga Kenya walk na Kenyans. Mali hota kukura modu hale umine ole ugire. No rule it's 2 hours. No ati do hota ko interrogate Adoashio. Otogo Zaki Arauga. It would be unfair also. President Yokehau, so to tell me a Kena. ne hetekete yo mwarimu wa inaina. He is brilliant na Gamia One, David Aito Gamia One, my peer, Dr. Akuru. But I don't think they're the same level.
Okay. Asante. Kevin yarauga atiri udongia nagia.
Tugudo mwandu wale matwandikira kana.
Na rua tugathie kwe mundu gwitwo Muraguri Keru. Akauga Zach Kinothia is very resourceful. Getting an appreciation from a learned senior citizen is no common thing. Akauga ati kiuria ohoro uyu wa internship urathie kuri aria o makate
marauma kana ona ginya aria marikirie makiaga mawira
asema ko include
okay
in the second
aria marikirie
sawa every unemployed graduate since 2005
David Oidaka.
The problem is that Wajiko has made tribalism as a requirement for leaders' job. So when leaders and politicians are applying for any position, they write a CV whose content is tribalism. Wajiko never tigoshajia hali
job requirement
mwezi wa era.
Jerry Grace asante sana kauga jega ndito. We need more of such discussions and let parents know how important it is for a kid to go through school atakama atapata grade gani. It helps one to gain life necessary knowledge, wisdom and understanding of issues in a good way. Mainanga
kaiga Mike Jenga, it's time tuturia togoria kurigana na manifesto yao na ability yao ya kuhigia shiraneno. Youth and technology is the future of Kenya, is a resource that any government must utilize. That's why I support Jubilee government purely based on agenda and ideas they have for the youth.
Kiriugi Kibodo akauga the show is good, but Infotrack opinion poll is a big joke statistically. Akauga there is no way Jubilee can score 28% in Nairobi City. They only use 31 counties to make a generalization about the whole nation. Akauga they had 13 NASA counties, 10 Jubilee counties and 8 swing counties. Wanjish Gresh akauga narikoro dereti inoyanyu nimurehagira ateti amo basa. Akauga netumaga Wajiko atauko ni maudu maigi muno wanyabura kuma kuria Bururi Mombasa rogo wako.
The project that is out of Kenya, you do not need an opinion poll. All it takes, unfortunately, is the same simple ethnic arithmetic. Neoka vila tup.
Francis Godinake akugai jega nderito goko makada ramarigo twe hamwe muno asante sana na nie guga opinion polls nisio itumaga kugie na hamwe kamara dava kauga wabere ne kumugeithia derito na jega kauga demwere panel ya umode neo of the best na siasa na uplands twe hamwe. David Oilaka.
Very sober discussion. Zach already started in 2 weeks to convince young people. Nani adoige nige kwena
neje gamuno SMS nationale nyige deito na jaga nitukanaga muno ne miario ya new no nyede muno muthomithia uria ado magathura na makinya polling station na netwe gwekogwo
na netwe kirugwo hinde
twekite ogwo higwege na githurano gikuhiriria netwe
kuma ABC.
Asante sana. SMS ni
Mike Mugera the pipeline thank you mono munene Virginia from mwega todo danyita deeply na gekasati ya sands no werago tureda si na above kana okero ukome na munene ushio irato gudoma hai Kimuri am Virginia furoriti mwega todo danyitire deeply na geka certificate ya science no ukiuria werago tureda si na above kana okero ukome na munene ushio tokwega
nisaidia
ai adosi kirege kare aria kuona wira ri
ngo youth ya kure eracho na mwaki
adi mundu yakumwira ogwo ri atuhe contact yake ito kumutumira mundu wenge ko gwo renda
turekeria hau kama mumuhewira
kumuhewira mujini
kimejigere tone juni wake dekado anini ukemethe na ari akegere
niko na beuje.
Asante turekeria hau Virginia netukuheana namba yaku kwe mundu gwitwo
kana tutumire namba yaku Virginia thini wake mo
tukimenyania atia
thank you Charles Munywe kuma kore Kiamba na kuma Kiambu twashokia gatho thank you Zach Kinothia kuma kore Muranga Metumi
my pleasure
twashokia gatho
ndramithite ha
ndagĩtarĩ Steven Gachi kuma kũrĩa Nyeri nĩ gaki kana
ni included ndio mukuru ini gaki
na tucokie ngatho Kimuri tuguthii na mbere na kwaga tukera andu na thikũ 14 cia tikara ũhoro wa kuhoya na kuhanda muti nĩ ndwa commitment to peace ndareria ndona kuma Kiambu kugara Nyandarua guthii nginya Laikipia guothe nĩ kuhanaine nĩ ndwa mbura tukoiga atiriri yaciara mwaki no nginya icone yaciarĩra ndoro-inĩ no nginya ongithie nona
Kevin yao no nginya tobi atiriri asante sana
na aciarĩra yua-inĩ rĩ yongithagĩrio ku
ati ukauga
witagwo Nderitũ Ihũra kũrĩa andũ maikwa mena nganja njamba ya wĩra tuko na professor Waine kuma thaa 3:30 nginya thaa 6 kwendi wa Ngai
asante wacoka Kiamba
Mwaria muno
maya ntiakoragwo ku etagwo tumwita tata wa Njũgĩ sikĩtwo nĩ mũthuri wetagwo Karũga kũrĩa wa Koimbĩ
kwa inage
baba toga ithuĩ nĩ tugu
acio nĩo magũthire kwanza
no ũraririkana
tukauga mutithie thayũ niĩ njĩtagwo Michael Njenga mwe mwito majitaga Njenga wa Mbũi ngauga nĩ ngatho nyingĩ mũno mũgĩe na wiki njega wiki ĩna irathimo ciumanĩte kũrĩ Mwathani tondũ nĩ kũrĩ irathimo itakiuma kũndũ kũngĩ na tukauga mũngĩrorema gũkumia na mũtithie thayũ nake Jehova Ngai amurathime.